What's going on, everybody? This is Mayhem, Mr. Todd himself from Minitruckin TV, and you are watching the fucking low truck show video blog. Let's go. On this show, we head to Pahrump, Nevada, and hang out with the local chapter down here of Freaks of Nature as they host a day to remember. Great show, great friends, good time. Enjoy. Grab something to eat, grab something to drink, your favorite beverage, and let's watch the truck show.
We're here at Chubb's. Well, it's called a day to remember, but it started off as the Chubb Show. And years ago, Freaks of Nature had a member named Chubbs who passed away unexpectedly. So they put on the first show to kind of like help his family out, put some money together for him. And since then, it sort of has just kind of taken on, kind of built. And now it's called a day to remember to kind of remember everybody, that passed, left, just stuff like that. So it's a great show. It's a lot of fun. It's big every year, and if we just keep coming back, it's a great show.
All the Freaks guys, I believe, from the local area. I don't know. Freaks, obviously. Now this one, pause. This one was pretty cool, and I'm guessing from the banner there's some association with a Naked City garage making the pins, and a little plug for you there, buddy. Oh, Mazda. You gotta love the old school Mazda. Out of a lot of trucks there, I would choose this one over it because I love my Mazdas and I love the 4x4 sheet metal, the extra cab. That's just perfect. Such a good look. If it wasn't for my Toyota having just a little bit better look, I'd be in a Mazda. Attention, clean your wheels. Lots of old school Chevys. Well, they're old school now, but good look. Okay, pause. This is just the coolest idea. They yanked out the engine, cleaned it all up, did the wheel wells and all that stuff to seal it up, and then they had it all rhino lined. And this isn't the stuff you get at Harbor Freight. This is the good stuff. They took it somewhere, work somewhere or whatever, but so cool because how many times do you have a painted motor and or an engine compartment and you're just scared AF to drop a tool or something on there. I'm digging it. This has 30s on it. Pause. That wheel well, see the tire sticking out of the engine compartment? It's not though. I mean, it's a clean job, but those are 30-inch wheels. My God. Remember when it was crazy you ran 16, let alone 17? Scions, lots of little SUVs. Unbelievable. This is just, it was just done. Yeah, it's pretty tight, the pipe coming out the side like that. Probably loud as everything, but looks cool. Yeah. There's a lot of potential in that truck. Oh, supercar, Corvette. Look at that thing. I don't know if it's the clips or... Oh, there's Rick. Oh, there's the Toyota row. Yeah. Look at that. Love me some Toyotas. That was a beautiful flame job on that. Not sure about the stickers all over the windows, but you know, it's cool. Oh yeah, the Toyotas. Deviated. Pause for a second. This is the guy who started this club and runs it is the first mini trucker I met coming to Las Vegas to move here. We came down here at 119 degrees anyway. Pause. How crazy is this? I don't know if it was a new mod or old school mod. Not my taste, but to see stuff like this, mods like this that used to be done, brought it back. Only it would be missing the whole top, the doors, and it would be missing that middle section, and they called that a target top. And then they also had the package to cut along that front seam and back underneath the rear window, and then that was your convertible top, and you're always stuck carrying that thing around the back, and hopefully it didn't get dinged up and banged up or stepped on at a show if you got it laying there. So they had a lot of things. They had a lot of sports cars, and he was throwing his diamond. Severed ties. Chevy with flames. It's pretty cool. Wires on it lowered and the old school. Who's getting their logo today?
Me. Actually, there's about 5 of them. Yeah,
they're trying to put on this logo, and it was cut so thin. They were having a hell of a time trying to do it, and they just kept going. They weren't going to give up either, man. They were on it, but it was hilarious. Keep going. You got it, guys.
Too bad you guys are going to miss the rest of the show.
They don't last. Oh, big old pipe sticking up, blowing some coal. Flames. The detail on this, pause. The detail on this, I don't know if you can tell, but like it's double layered, and a lot of this was hard to get because of the weather. Direct sun is not the time to be taking pictures and video of shows, but isn't that cool with the 2 layers like that? And I don't know which layer came first, the chicken or the egg, but very cool. And there was the local raffle ticket lady buying all the raffle tickets that they have to offer. Got a few people like that up in the Northwest too. Freaks. Cadillac there. A lot of potential in that. And this was a show truck from back in the day. You don't get to see a lot of these trucks that have been in magazines unless you're in the local area where they're at, because they don't go very far unless they're trailer, but still no one pays a mini trucker to take their truck on tour. Stabilizer right there on my phone. using the smallest camera we can besides a GoPro to film this so I don't knock into anything. No, this is beautiful. It's a beautiful truck. And the pictures in the magazine and a sunny day that's got some light footage does not do it justice. Yeah, there we go. Hard bodies. Sunroof. See, old school. Lambo doors, yeah. Very good, very clean, detailed out like it should. This was the whole line of Nissan hard bodies, and I just thought it was funny that they all had their hoods open. The only thing that was different was their valve cover. These guys were talking my wife into getting in their van. They wanted to show all the wood that was in there. Lots of wood. Oh, this thing was beautiful. Beautiful. Bio Drop. Is that a club or just the name of the truck? Very cool. Look at that dash. All custom formed. Beautiful. Well, guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this edition of the F***ing Low Truck Show and my commentary. Figured we'd do something different instead of just playing cheesy commercial-free music that you don't have to pay for or do anything with. And just show some trucks. No, we're not going to do it that way. We're going to change it up. Why did we film this truck? What's the detailed part? That's what we're going to be doing. So, more to come on the F***ing Low Truck Show video blog. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, don't forget what WireNet said. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Do like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Do like, and subscribe, and share with your friends. Like and subscribe, and share with your friends. I can do this all night long. Push that button. Yeah. Right there. See it? Down, right there. There's a little subscribe button, and there's the bell with the thingy. Look, right there. There's the little subscribe button that's not lit up because you didn't subscribe. And, or it's lit up because you didn't subscribe. Look at the bell. The bell. Right here, where I'm pointing. The bell is not lit up. So here's what you guys need to do. You need to go right here. Right here. See that? See that right there? Like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and get notifications. Do that. Take it, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell right there, uncross the Ghostbuster thing on the bell, and then you will get everything that we're doing on YouTube. Maybe even head over to Instagram or Facebook, your favorite social media platform. We're going to be posting stuff on as much stuff as we can, but YouTube, that's going to be where we're hanging out here with the bigger videos. So enjoy.